Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 6750 GRE 12GB Black Diamond Edition graphics card. So friend, it has gained significant popularity among both partners with over 18 models now incorporating the 12GB memory configuration and compared to just 4 with 10GB. A key planner in this lineup has recently reduced the RX 6750 GRE 12GB Black Diamond Edition, marking the fifth version of this particular SKU, and this custom design version does not include any overclocking, maintaining a standard 2439 MHz game clock and 2581 MHz boost clock. The design draws inspiration from the Aurora edition, featuring a blue color theme and nearly identical triple cooling system. It ships with one 8-pin and one 6-pin power connectors, maintaining its 230-watt typical port power. The design aesthetic showcasing a black diamond grid with gold accent, measuring 31 by 128 mm and requiring 2.5 slots of space. Powering this GPU is Navi 22 GPU equipped with 2560 processor, poised to rival Nvidia's budget-friendly RTX 4060 desktop model in official gaming test at 1440p resolution. The RX 6750 GR emerges as the clear winner. A detail that is not mentioned is that also needs twice the power. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.